to make a trade down here, but the market is absorbing all these sellers. So I do think there's a lot of buyers in this area trying to recoup the market, even though it's making a double bottom, but we don't have tape momentum, so there's nothing we can do right now. I failed this short. I got break even. I did this short again, and it did work out, but I just got spoofed because I see buyers over here, so I just don't like to be in that type of trading. Okay, we have a
Order submitted.
we're gonna it's a blue arrow.
Order filled.
Okay, we got long over here, exactly at the bar close. Here we're looking for a higher price over here. The Nasdaq has been trying to break these lows. Okay, so as you can see, we saw all these prints over here, this selling. Okay, so got absorbed, but right now it's trying to go higher, so I don't think it's gonna go lower from now, so we're looking for longs only. Okay, we hopefully think this trade is gonna work. It's exactly at the support area. Okay, we see buyers in the tape, 1 2 3 in the same second print. Okay, let's see if this one gonna work out. We need to see the Nasdaq move. Okay, so if the Nasdaq doesn't move, we're not going anywhere. Okay, we got some tape momentum from the Nasdaq. Okay, let's see if they continue moving a little bit higher. Okay, from the ES we traded automatically. We did 125 on the micro ES on automation. Okay, so we traded the pullbacks. Okay, the pullbacks, and we're doing 4 lots and 3250 profit on 4 lots. Okay, so it worked out, so we're done for the day on the micro ES. It's working flawlessly, and we're waiting for the ES over here to move higher. Remember that the market won't move if the Nasdaq won't move. Okay, so we need to wait for the Nasdaq to move, else it won't work. So a lot of buyers in this area, so I do believe it can go a little bit higher. Okay, the Nasdaq just stopped in that area. It's not going higher. Yeah, it reversed. So let's see what's gonna happen to the ES. Buyers came in over here in the Nasdaq. You see the wick. So there's buyers over down here. Okay, buyers in control right now, guys. Okay, Nasdaq reversed. Remember, every reversal bar on the Nasdaq is 34 ticks, so it's a lot of money. So I prefer to trade better the ES or the micro ES, guys. It gives you a better risk to reward ratio, and you don't get spooked by those big reversals. So let's see if these guys move higher. The tape is not doing too much, guys. It's just hanging there. And if Nasdaq doesn't move from that area, nobody will move. Remember, always look for the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq is the main instrument. If the Nasdaq doesn't move, nobody will move. Okay, guys, I'll pause the video a little bit so it won't be too long. Okay, there it goes. Nasdaq just moved out of this congestion. Always check the Nasdaq, guys. If Nasdaq is not moving, I can stress out all this information, guys. Every day I'll repeat everything. Don't trade if the Nasdaq is not moving. Okay, we see another push from the time and sales in the Nasdaq. We see the first push here, second push here. Okay, so let's see if this push doesn't pull back. This will benefit the ES, so we can get to the 800 target. Lots of green, guys. See, the tape don't lie. It will tell you everything. See more momentum in the tape. Okay, 350 is a good number, guys. Okay, so it's a good target. For example, you see something curious, you see this time and sales here, this printing over here. It's high volume. Okay, so the support area is here. Okay, and the market didn't get to the support area. They just went to the tape momentum. Okay, so they reversed at the tape momentum area, meaning that there's high volume. They did it the same over here. You see, if you go over here, the market just stalled here.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Okay, guys, there goes the ES.
Order canceled. Target filled.
We're exiting
Target
here.
filled.
Market got crazy, guys. Okay, my friends, so I do think this is all for me today. Something's wrong with the data in the markets, some news, so it's better to stay away. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. If you're interested in the system, you can contact me. There's the link in the email in the description of this video. So thanks for watching.